Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And on either side, you have these little tie-down points with lassos on them, a 12-volt power outlet, and on the opposite side, you have the switch for your cargo lights that can be articulated to shine wherever you like. And underneath this cover, you have your spare with some extra compartments around. Then looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three with fold-out armrests and two cup holders in the middle, and a USB and USB-C down there. The backs of the seats do also have zippered pouches with MOLLE rigging that you can hook stuff onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your little center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, My View with a digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings, your now playing, phone controls, and information screen. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And moving down, you have your media controls, as well as your hazards and auto start stop shut off. Below that, you have this little cubby, and moving down further, you have your climate controls with heated front seats. And below that, you have this cubby area with a 12-volt USB and USB-C, as well as a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. And then you have your main shifter here on a dial, very convenient, easy to use. Parking brake, brake holds, two cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector. So you have normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have your center compartment / armrest with a USB and USB-C inside, so you can plug something in from there too. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.